Aloha and welcome to this very special episode of Think Ocean. There's a few times in life that one dive is so special, that it's so epic and unique, that it brings about the very questions that we have about marine science. It brings about questions that we think we know about animal behavior in the ocean. Today, Charlie and I swam with a pod of Hawaiian Spinner Dolphins and a beautiful tiger shark by the name of Marie. I hope you enjoy this episode of Think Ocean. The oceans of the world are magnificent and beautiful places to be sure. However, Mother Ocean does not relinquish her true self upon you until you have paid some dues. Nothing at sea is easy, but over time you'll find that she'll become your most trusted companion. My name is Captain John Gibbons, and this is Think Ocean. Aloha and welcome to Think Ocean. I'm Captain John, your host. As I said earlier, we had an extraordinary dive. We dove with a tiger shark as it swam through a pod of dolphins. It was quite an amazing time. And what I've decided to do is read to you from my logbook the dive, how it transcended. And I'm going to show you video while I'm doing that of the dive. And then we're going to come back and we're going to analyze the film and see the extraordinary relationships of the Hawaiian Spinner Dolphins and this beautiful tiger shark named Marie. Alright, let's get to it. When we arrived, it was a clear sunny day, and I saw Charlie filming the dolphins from shore. I told him I wanted to shoot one battery's worth of drone before we went on to the dive of the dolphins. And this is the footage that you're seeing now. It's rare but not uncommon if you dive the dive site frequently to see the tiger sharks mixed in or very close to the dolphins. It's just hard to get the shot. You have to be in the right place at the right time, sort of thing. Quote that I said at the beginning of this video, where Mother Ocean does not relinquish her true self upon you until you've paid some dues. And that dues is about 500 dives for me. I've had extraordinary times, but this was by far the best tiger shark experience I've ever had. I want to cut now to the clip of Pablo when he's talking about swimming with the tiger sharks and the dolphins. He's 13 years old, and this clip comes to you from the Think Ocean Tiger Sharks of Kona video that I really want you guys to check out. Let's see the clip.
The tiger shark dive is one of my favorite dives because it's one of the only places where you can see the tiger sharks and the dolphins swimming together. You'll be diving and you'll see a pod of dolphins. And like 30 seconds later, you'll just see the tiger shark like swim out of the blues.
As we descended out towards the Channel Basin, I came across this beautiful piece of staghorn coral, or Porcellopora adui. And I want everybody to stand by. In April, I'm going to be releasing a video called The State of Coral, and it's going to be about coral bleaching over this past year in the state of Hawaii and how it's impacting our reefs. As we left the coral behind, we knew we were going to at least see dolphins on the dive. Well, it didn't take long for the dolphins to show up, and this one pod came right at me. They were a size of about 25 to 30. And we say pods, that's kind of misleading. This is actually a family of dolphins, and these dolphins stay together for life. A short time later, the dolphins reappeared and came swimming at me. I looked over to my left, and there was the tiger shark. She came right at me, and then turned to her left and swam towards the pod of dolphins. You could see in the shot the tiger shark and the dolphins together. Visibility this day was about 80 to maybe 100 feet, so they're very close. And then the shark swam off, and the pod of dolphins sent out a scout to lead the tiger shark away from the pod. So this brings about the question that we all have. We're all assumed that when you see dolphins, you won't see sharks. When you see sharks, you probably won't see dolphins. This is one of the rare places in the world where the two coexist and cohabitate together. Okay, let's break down the film. We're swimming along, and I'm looking at the pod of dolphins. I look over to my left, and here comes the tiger shark, as you can see in this video. The tiger shark swam right through the middle of the dolphins and kind of split them in half. Then the dolphins sent out their lead scout, and I'm going to show you a clip now of other scouts coming and checking me and some of the other divers out in the water. Here I'm looking one way, and you can see this dolphin come whizzing right by me over my left shoulder as to let me know we're right here and we have our eyes on you. Because they're not really sure who we are, they just want to let us know that they're there. So they always send out a lead scout. In the videos here, you can see this is the dolphins coming at me, and this one hops right over the other one to get in between me and the dolphins because he's the lead scout, and so he's in between me and the pod. So they do that. So they sent out this scout, and you can see here, the footage is kind of far, that the dolphin is swimming right in front of the tiger shark trying to lure it away from the main pod, which is up on the surface, and the dolphin has kind of guided the tiger shark down to the bottom, as you can see here. It's about 100 feet, and Charlie and I are hovering mid-water in about 50 feet of water. Dolphins, they lead a tough life. They're out there in the open ocean, and you know, they have a lot of predators, other sharks, things of this nature. You can see in this video here as the dolphins are swimming by, you see that big hole, that round circle in that dolphin there? That's a big round hole that is made by a cookie cutter shark, and at night the cookie cutter sharks come up and they sneak up on the dolphins real fast and grab a big round bite. Their mouths are round like a cookie cutter, and they take out this round piece. Now, dolphins, they need to heal in the water. That's another reason that we need to keep the oceans clean. If the oceans are not clean, and if the oceans are dirty, wounds like this cookie cutter shark bite can get infected. You can see here, this one, it's pretty bad. That is a very deep gashed hole in the dolphin. The dolphins need clean water to heal themselves. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Think Ocean, the tiger shark swimming with a pod of dolphins. It was a special and rare occasion. I want to take this moment to thank all of my subscribers, all of you people that are watching Think Ocean and pressing the button that looks like this. I really, really appreciate it. We're going to come out with more and more ocean content to help you learn, to help me learn. I'm always learning, and for us to have fun. I love doing what I'm doing. I couldn't do it without my subscribers and all the people that are viewing this YouTube channel, so thank you very much. If you guys are into some literature and you want to read about some of my seagoing stories, just look up Captain John Gibbons on Amazon Kindle, and I have 2 books out there. One is Merchant Marine Chronicles, and that is about my first 6 ships. Those are true stories. And then I made up a fiction book called Full Ahead that you will absolutely love. So please keep the oceans clean, keep them healthy. Remember to keep watching this channel, press the like button, and stay safe in the water. I'm Captain John. Until next time, aloha.